Welcome back to my another video. So everyone knows that count if, count a, count if s, all functions we can count by multiple criteria. In Excel, if you work on pivot table, it will show you count, sum, average, mean, max. But the most important thing is to get a unique count. Unique count means, like in here columns I, you have a city New York, and you want to count a unique how many orders in New York. As this is a detailed data which contains like order ID and its related item, so order ID can be repeat. No need to get multiple rows count. Here you can see one order ID repeats 3 times because it has 3 items for this order. In similar way, if we go and create this as a pivot table, city, okay, and order ID, you can see New York 915 count of order ID. If you try to get a unique value, you cannot unless you work on Power Pivot. So what I want to show you, just to count a unique value with two methods. One is just unique value with single criteria and with multiple criteria. Multiple criteria means we have here city, or you can get another criteria like what we have here by category and by ship mode. So let us start this one to get a unique values. First of all, what we have to do, we have to copy all these name columns, product and category, copy, paste here, and remove duplicates. As you can see, total 51,291 including with column header. We are going to remove all this data, remove. Now we can count 13,902. So here we have city. I will move these to first, and we can count total orders. Okay, orders by city, by city. Let us start. As you know that count, it will count only for numbers. Count a, it will count numbers and text. And count if with single criteria. Count if s is the multiple criteria. So all these we already did. No, this video is just to get a unique values. Okay, count a. Then what we are going to do, a unique values for unique. Array, what is array? Array is the range, like column, what we are going to count for. So in our case we have an array of b. Okay, then filtering, we need to filter, sorry, here unique filter, array is order id, comma, includes what it must include. So include city, filtration is equal to sheet 9 and going back to this cell, close, yes. Total 450 unique orders we have. Very simple. So we need to wait unless it calculates 8 threads 7%. You see my cursor. I will pause my video and get back to you. Now it's going to complete 97%, 98, 99, 100%. Okay, now in New York we have a unique order ID. It means total order by city New York. We need to verify this one. So what we'll do, just copy this sheet, entire sheet, okay, and remove everything, delete it, even rows we don't need. Now we have this, just and remove everything. If you filter New York here, New York, and select a column A, which is order ID, you can see here a count. Where is my cursor? 451. And same result we have here, 450 excluding with column header name. Okay, similar to that, randomly if we can check Surat, total of 12, and we have the same result here, 12. Now with multiple criteria, unique count with multiple criteria, total orders by city and category, okay, just same simple as it is. Count a, unique, filter, but we are going to add a multiple criteria here. So we'll start this, count a, next what, unique, and then filter, array, what we are going to count again, count order ID, comma. Now this time we have a multiple criteria. So what we need to do, just we need to go back and give a comma, open and close bracket. Inside that you have to select this again, main sheet, select I, which is city, is equal to New York. Okay, then next criteria, this is one criteria we added in a as a set of open and close bracket, then star, same open and close bracket, then go back to your main sheet, and this time we are going to filter data of category, right, is equal to category. Once I enter, it takes some time. I will pause my video. Sorry. 1 2 3 4. Missing some closing parameters. First 1 2 3, and here we added unnecessary one bracket. Global filter sheet 9. This is mistake. Yes, so total we have 138. Just I am enabling my show location of pointer when I press Ctrl OK, click OK. Now it's showing my pointer. Fine, done. It has been completed, and restarting again, I don't know why. So here we can compare 138 in New York by category technology. We have 138 unique orders. Once finish this calculation, we can compare it. Okay, the same case, delete these, and oh, I deleted source. Sheet 9. Fine. Now I deleted row ID, and going to delete all these as well. Delete, and now till category, delete. Also control shift control minus. Okay, now we are going to remove this duplicate. Fine. Now New York, then technology. So overall 139, but as you know, the column header name we have here result 138. Like Delhi, we have 12 under category, so similar to that 9. 12 and technology 9, sheet 9. Sorry, this is furniture, so Delhi need to be checked under furniture. Control shift L, DLHI Delhi, and technology, it will rethread. Oh, technology 1 2 technology 12. You can see row number 88, this one. Okay, it take time, so directly you can see here Delhi technology, even if it is repeated under ship mode, giving us same result. So finally what we did, we get a unique values. Row ID,